Hi everyone, this video actually will be in English. Yes, in English, not in Russian. I have been speaking a lot in Russian lately, and I can tell that I actually was very, very fulfilled in my professional field with that. But however, this video will be in English, and why it is in English? Because as you guys know, who followed me on Facebook or Instagram, we have a new program for Ukrainian people. New program for Ukrainian people called Uniting for Ukraine. So what it is I'm sure you all been watching news and know what's going on in the country of Ukraine. The country of Ukraine, which is a neighbor country to Russia. Unfortunately, it's going through a lot right now. A lot of military actions over there are very sad. A lot of people relocated to Europe as well, relocated to the United States. So what happened was on April 21st, 2022, President Biden announced a program which called Uniting for Ukraine. So this program actually will allow Ukrainian citizens and their spouses and children who are under the age of 21, as you can see, very, very strict restrictions will come, they will be able to come into the United States and request a parole, right? So what is the parole? Parole is the benefit. It's an immigration benefit, which will be providing, the United States will be providing to the citizens of Ukraine and their immediate family relatives, immediate family members, as a spouse, children under the age of 21, like I said. And Ukrainian people, citizens of Ukraine, they will be able to stay here in the United States, and they will be able to work. They will be able to support themselves as they can apply for a work permit, of course, when they come into United States. However, the reason why I'm making this video is I am making this video because any of you, I know I had a lot of questions, people asking me, can I be a sponsor? Can I be a sponsor to Ukrainian citizen? And I don't know what to say. The reason why I don't know what to say is because the law is changing substantially every day. We can see what's going on in the Supreme Court right now. Supreme Court heard the oral argument. We know the Fifth Circuit upheld the law. Title 42 law, right? One of you who are following the news, we know they had oral argument on Tuesday, and we're waiting. And what's going to happen is a temporary injunction, or what's going to happen next? Because at the end of the May, Trump era law, Title 42, is scheduled to be over with, right? That's what we know. However, we don't know what's going to happen. So anyhow, back to Uniting for Ukraine program. So this video is about letting you all know, specifically the one who were really interested in being a sponsor for a person from Ukraine, right? Ukrainian citizen, their immediate family members, spouses, and children under the age of 21. One of you who are interested actually in being a sponsor, you guys can do it now. You can do it because today we had an official announcement. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services published on their website official announcement for a program of Uniting for Ukraine, and also it provides us a law. It provides us a guideline who can be a sponsor, who can come to the United States. And remember, guys, again, this is a temporary benefit, right? This is not, they're not coming here forever. They're just waiting here in order to, see what's going to happen over there and what's going to be the outcome. We don't know the law, like I said, the law, and everything is changing every day. So what we have right now is we have this new program that has its own guideline, that we have people in Ukraine who would like to come into the United States, and you guys here, United States citizens, lawful permanent residents, right? People who are even here. So let's talk about people who are eligible, right? Most of you guys who are watching me, probably you guys were born in the United States as my son was. So you guys, all U.S. citizens who were born here on this land. But also there are people who will be eligible for this program. They were not born here. They were born somewhere else, but they are legal residents. They're paying their taxes here. They living here, and they work here, and they maintain their legal status. So Let's talk about who is eligible to be a sponsor if you guys interested, right? Any U.S. citizen, any lawful permanent resident, holder of green card, any person who is on student visa, any person who is on any visa. In fact, tourist visa also will work. Any person who is legally in the United States, even the person who is awaiting ruling on their asylum cases, right? Who is in the deportation proceedings. So they all can be a sponsor. Now, I have to warn you, if you would like to be a sponsor, this procedure not to be abused, right? We're not talking about mail order brides whom you think about bringing over to the United States, so you can bypass this system. You can, well, you don't have to apply for fiance visa, you don't have to apply for a wife's visa and wait for about more than 2 years. So no, guys, this is not that. Okay, so let's just make it clear. This is not that. This is just help for families in Ukraine to wait over here in the United States while things are happening over there and waiting for the outcome, right? Outcome of what's going to happen over there. So I just wanted to clarify that. So whoever would like to apply to be a sponsor for a person, what is the requirements, right? You obviously have to be financial. Also, guys, I wanted to mention that the any also organization can be a sponsor. Okay, so any organization could be a sponsor also. It doesn't have to be only physical person, right? Resident can be also some organization who pay taxes, who are resident of the United States, and who has financial means to support that person, to support that family who is coming here in the United States. So what you will have to do, if you would like to be a sponsor, of course, contact my office. You can call me on 228-229-7500. Actually, guys, you can contact me by Facebook is the best way. Message me, or if you're watching me on YouTube, you can just drop a comment below, or you can call my office on 228-229-7500. You can also send me an email to porschlegal@gmail.com. You can contact me via Instagram. It is www.instagram.com/Natalia the Young Porsche. Okay, so let's talk about the what you have to do if you would like to be a sponsor. So what you will have to do, you will have to file Form 134. Form 134 is Declaration of Financial Support. And this is how actually the case will begin. The case will begin for people who are in the Ukraine, right? They in some in Europe. They might be not even in Ukraine. They're somewhere else, right? But they're not inside the United States. People who are in the United States, they cannot apply, right? It's only for people who are outside the United States. So they can apply. Okay, so first, the person is outside the United States will be waiting to get approved. You will have to file the form I-134. I-134, file this form with USCIS, right? This is how everything starts. You will have to provide the evidence that you're financially secure to support a person from Ukraine or a family from Ukraine. Specifically, I would like to support a family, right? To let them stay in your house, to provide them meals before they get back on their feet. And remember, guys, Ukrainian people, they're like Russian people, they're like Moldovan people, they speak English. It's amazing how this is what I'm thinking about, because DHS and immigration judges, they just routine. Their routine is to deal with people from Central America, right? Mexico, Honduras. And these people, unfortunately, they don't have a lot of degree, right? They don't have a big education. They just have some maybe 8-class education. They don't even go to high school over there. However, these people who are coming here from Ukraine, they are very well educated, so they have to be prepared. Most of them hold bachelor's degree. They're engineers, they're doctors. And this is not a joke. I'm serious. Okay, they all speak English. Their kids all went to school and they study English language. So they all will be speaking English. So that makes it easy on you to communicate with them, right? So again, you have to be financially secure. You have to have a legal status here in the United States. You have to file Form I-134 and let me know. I can help you with that. If we have a family who would like to come here to Ukraine, I can help you with filing that form. If you would like to be a sponsor, there is no benefit for you, I promise. Okay, so it's only for people who would like to help, right? people only who would like to help. You will have to provide your financial status, right? You probably will have to provide your tax returns, your tax forms, provide your bank account information. How much money do you have? Do you have money for the for some time for them to be here, right, before they get back to work? Because they, like I said, they all speak English, they all have degrees. So all they will have to do is apply for a work permit, and whenever they come over here, guess what? The work permit will be really fast for them. Why it's going to be fast? Because it's expedited work permit application right now, right? So we can request from DHS to expedite the application. So it's going to be really easy for them to get a work permit. So like I said, if you would like to help someone, you're welcome to give me a call or send me a message on Facebook. My phone number is 228-229-7500. Again, like I said, let me see what else, if I'm missing anything else. Like also, guys, you have to remember you will be subject to security check, right? So if you had felony in the past, I don't know if that's going to prevent you, but likely I would not suggest to apply for it if you had felony in the past. It's also, guys, depends like how long ago was that felony. They might just overlook it if it was one little felony a while back and you did everything you're supposed to do, and then I don't think that's one little thing. Brush with the law will prevent you from helping Ukrainian families to come over here. I think that's it. That's it. And remember, the only people who are eligible to come here, they all must be Ukrainian citizens, right? They're not going to be citizens from any other country, because they only can be citizens of any other country if they're immediate relative, spouse of Ukrainian citizens. So it's pretty easy, straightforward. Like I said, you can drop a comment down below this video, or you can call me on 228-229-7500. You can send me an email to porschlegal@gmail.com. Contact my office and let me know. I will publish this on Facebook. I'm not going to call your name out. I'm just going to say, okay, we have a sponsor here who is ready to assist you guys. That's all. Okay, so your info will remain secret. No one is going to find out about that. Okay, well, I think that's all I have. I have a court at 1 p.m. So my time is I'm very busy person. I have only maybe, very limited amount of time to do my social media. But like I said, let me know. And thank you for watching. And thank you for being so kind and so supportive to these people. Thank you. Bye-bye.